Fashion is always fun, and we Desi girls have the advantage of playing with Desi looks and giving them our own unique twist. Today, we're going to show you how you can elevate any Desi outfit and give it your touch of quirk and personality. Looking for a fun kurta to wear to college? Try this colorful high-low hemline kurta from PayTm Mall. Tassels are a major trend this season, and this look taps into just that. This vibrant kurta will brighten those gloomy college lectures. Balance the prints and burst of color of this kurta with a pair of well-fitted white jeans, like my US Polo skinny jeans. Play up the tassels in this look with matching vibrant tassel earrings to further emphasize on the key trend in this outfit. A pair of nude heels can easily take this look from day to night. It's a win-win. Sangeets are for dancing and having fun, so don't let your outfit limit you. That's why I picked this dhoti kurta look for a sangeet or engagement party. This set in a rich color will make you stand out and keep you comfy all night long. A pair of glam heels and gold hoops will lend a modern touch to this fun look. Got a wedding, formal event, or college farewell to attend? I have just the look for you. If you always wanted to wear a saree but didn't know how to style it, we've got you covered. Let go of those basic blouses and pair your saree with a sexy black blouse. I paired my saree with a cold shoulder blouse. Now belt that saree up for a stylish and edgy vibe. By the way, belting your saree is a great hack to keep your pallu in place. Always remember to wear your saree with a pair of heels. It gives the right fit and fall to your saree. Starting a new internship? Don't just limit yourself to basic kurtas and churidars. Pick a girly cropped anarkali kurta and pair it with a pair of breezy culottes. Not only does the kurta culottes combo look cool and stylish, the cropped hem is also perfect for traveling during monsoon months. Now add a subtle touch of glam with Afghani jhumkas or a pair of kolhapuris. If handling a dupatta and sari palla is as big a task as solving a complicated math sum, then try this rebel Desi look. Pick a pair of boyfriend jeans that look cool and super comfy. Pair it with a basic black tank top. Now layer this with a long line cape style kurta. Add an oxidized layered choker for that Desi touch. There you go guys. That's how you have fun with fusion dressing with these cool looks from PayTm Mall. Get shopping and don't forget to tag us in your recreations of these looks. Choose from over 1 lakh plus fresh ethnic styles from PayTm Mall.